Hi, this is Honza Koudelka and I'm going to give you some very interesting and useful information about my last experiences with improving speed of FileMaker solutions. We all live in a world where everything keeps getting faster. We don't even manage to adapt to one thing before another thing is coming. The most visible effect is that we all are getting used more and more to live like that, work like that, and be like that. As a result, when anything becomes a little bit slower than we are used to, we start a bit nervous and angry. I'm sure you know what I mean. It happens to me almost every day. I remember the times when I started developing our own information system called CIS in 2 Everything was fine. We had a couple of computers, couple of users, and our company had much less orders and customers than we have now. We started using CIS to run our daily business, and the only complaints and requests were for missing features or bugs that were easy to fix. But as we were expanding, more and more parts of the system started becoming less responsive. Users started to complain about the speed of our system. This was back in 2005. Since then, we keep looking for ways to make this faster for our users. I was frustrated because everything we tried helped only a little and the improvement did not last for too long. We tried upgrading to a new version of FileMaker Pro and FileMaker Server and gained about 15% increase of the system's overall speed. When it became slow again, we moved our FileMaker Server from a Mac Mini to an Xserve. This led to about 30% speed increase. Next time we upgraded to all our client computers to Intel Macs. This speed increased by about 20%. These were very easy solutions but not very cheap and definitely not as notable as we hoped for. After discovering that, we found that backup can slow some operations down several times. So we decided to lower the backup frequency. Now we run backups only once an hour, and we also deferred some lengthy tasks to run as server-side scripts during night. Curiously, results of these cheap changes were much more notable than the costly hardware upgrades, but even they didn't last forever. After a few months of our nightly scripts were taking nearly 8 hours to finish, I saw a big speed issue approaching again. One time I was even thinking that we might have reached the limits of the FileMaker platform. This was really getting me down. But I didn't want to believe that. I told myself that there must be a reason why we can have millions of records in FileMaker database, that there must be a way how we can work with a lot of data efficiently. So we started looking closer at how we could optimize our code. Not saying that we were not trying that before, we just decided to put more energy and thinking into it. And guess what? It helped. We got the idea we were looking for. Now I am happy I found another way after these rich experiences. Now I know we can speed up FileMaker solution using the method we discovered, and the way we do it is faster and cheaper than anything else we tried before. Everything is possible when you believe. Now I want to ask you for something. Try to imagine you have a chance to speed up your solution, for example, by 300,000%, and the costs are minimal. Do you like it? I found a way how to do it. I found what I call the marvelous optimization formula. If you read my blog Honza's Bits at 2 you have probably seen my article about our optimization of the inventory script. Solely by optimizing our algorithm, we sped this script up literally by 300,000%. We cut the execution time of this single script from 5 hours, 11 minutes and 33 seconds to just 6 seconds. This success brought us new hope to our FileMaker development. We started to care more about efficiency of our code. We tried to optimize other scripts and other solutions, and we saw great results there as well. This experience has taught me 3 important things I want to share with you. First one, it's necessary to optimize scripts. If you don't do that, you will waste a lot of CPU power that could be used for much more useful work. Second, perceived speed of a solution is more important than the available feature set. Features make user happy only if they can be used efficiently. And third, everything can be optimized. You just have to believe you can do it. Yes, you can speed up FileMaker solutions significantly, solely by optimizing your code. But you have to be aware of some drawbacks. You can easily spend a lot of time without anyone noticing any speed improvement at all. This is exactly what happened to me with the inventory script I wrote about on my blog. Fortunately, I have identified these drawbacks and found a way how to deal with them to avoid such failures. There are things you have to do and others you have to avoid if you want the optimization to cause actual effect. And I'm going to reveal my findings to you in the next video.